Many Angular developers struggle with component communication and end up creating tangled webs of event emitters. There's a better way. BehaviorSubject is a special type of observable from RxJS that stores a current value. The key difference from regular observables is that any new subscriber immediately receives the latest value. You must provide an initial value when you create it, like setting a default state. This makes it perfect for representing state that changes over time. In Angular, we use BehaviorSubject in services to share state across multiple components. The service holds the BehaviorSubject privately and exposes it as an observable. When one component updates the state, all subscribed components automatically receive the new value. This creates a single source of truth without tight coupling between components. So what's the difference from a regular subject? A regular subject has no concept of a current value. If you subscribe after a value is emitted, you miss it. BehaviorSubject always remembers its latest value and replays it to new subscribers. You can also access the current value synchronously using the getValue method or the value property. Here's the typical pattern. Create a private BehaviorSubject in your service, expose it as an observable using a subservable, and provide methods to update the state. Components subscribe to the observable and call methods to update it. Clean, predictable, and testable. BehaviorSubject is the go-to tool for sharing state in Angular services because it stores a value and delivers it instantly to any new subscriber. Master this pattern and your component communication becomes effortless. Practice this in your next Angular interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.